In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rear sway bar link on your Subaru Impreza. This is part of the suspension system and located in the rear of the vehicle. Let's get started. We can remove our hardware using a 14mm. And we can remove our sway bar link. Installing our new sway bar link is just the reverse of the old one. We can install our upper bolt. Line up the lower part of the sway bar link. You can use a punch or an awl to line up the lower part of the sway bar link. We'll install our nuts. We can snug those down. We'll torque this to 28 foot-pounds. Take the vehicle for a road test, make sure you don't hear any strange popping or noises, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.